Welcome back everyone to My Car and My Life. There I restored my old custom car I had in the 90s. Oh, it's almost dry here. I want some paint on the inside of the fenders and the repairs I did on the doors. I have thought I can use this paint sample that I ordered earlier, but the paint seems to have dried. Let's see if we can get this to work. I will try to get it to work again with some thinner. Maybe that will work. It smells a bit. Maybe I should use some protection. Actually, I think we have to add some more. Yes, I think this is good for getting a thick layer on. We try it. Then we were down to sanding again, and the damage on the hood had extended to the upper side. So my spot repair have to be on the upper side too, and that will be harder to get really good. Great! Try to get all this perforation. The clear has a craculate at some points. I try to get all that off. Now I think I found all the cracks on these skirt pieces, and I will grind down the cracks and see if I have to fill them with the fiberglass or just reinforce them on the backside. Then put some filler on them and fad them. Then I think we are ready to prime everything. I will just use this one to grind out the cracks, just to get open them up a bit, and I think I can get away with filler on the most of them and some reinforcement on the backside. I see they have done some repair already, and I see the cracks all through. Now I have grind down all the cracks, and some of them I have ground down a bit in the fiberglass because there are cracks down through the gel cotton into the fiberglass. And I can see they have reinforced on the inside, so they have done some repairs here. And the same thing on this one. Really much filler here, and the cracks are through to the fiberglass and just reinforced on the inside. That when you do that, when you do it like this and not repair on the outside, the crack will go through the gel cotton filler and the paint in the end. So they will, you will see it in a couple of years. So we will do it right this time. We will put some fiberglass on these cracks and do it so it should last for 30 more years. This one has a small curve on it. I think they have something has happened. It's curved out. We have to try that one onto the car because it's some strange damage here, and that's much up with the strange damage on the fender, but they had the rust on the outside. We will make sure that this one fits on the car when I'm finished. Before we paint, we will test fit everything so we can change something. When you have the paint, you are committed to how it looks. Jag ser hur vi gör det här. Men du kommer få hjälpa mig. Vi ska ha en liten hammare och knacka i sprintar här. Vi måste hålla upp dörren så att den är i rätt läge. Okay. Now it's time to put the door back on the car, and that's hard to do by yourself. So Linda will help me put it on here. I will lift it and she will put in the sprints. The tape is for protection, so we don't damage the edge. Den här är sketan så tungt. Jag kommer förbi elementet här. Var ska jag? Framåt, bakåt, uppåt eller neråt? Vi kan dra i dörren ibland om du ser att det går kvar. I have got over all the surfaces with the 600 grit sandpaper, all the surfaces on the car that we should paint. And then I added epoxy paint over all the spots where we had gone through down to the rear metal. I will scuff up this a little so I get the rough edge, and then I will put filler on all the edges. Because I have to have filler out to the old paint. I can't paint over all these layers you can see, because they maybe shine through. So everywhere that you see these or layers, we have to have primer out to the paint here. And that has to be at least 500 grit, so we don't see all the marks there. So that will I do, but first we should repair all the damages on these skirt pieces. So I start with get plastic on these cracks you can see here. So that's the first mission, to do that. I will clean up here so I have some space to work on. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.